basically, this is just gonna be a life update, so bear with me. All right, I'm gonna keep you guys up to date, or get you guys up to date with a couple of things that have changed and or have not changed. So let's get started. And starting off with the obvious, the one I know you guys want to see most, the Widebody TL. It's hasn't changed. It's still the same. There's a big explanation for that, and simply it's just because both Terrence and I have been super busy with work, putting in 60 plus hours a week, and it's kind of difficult to do with 2 kids, a wife, household responsibilities, and working a crazy hour job. You know what I mean? So honestly, I don't have an excuse. There is no excuse. We just kind of stopped working on it, but that's all gonna change as we're jumping right back into things and going full swing like if we never stopped. So we're actually starting to pick it up right now. Well, not right now, but right now. You know what I mean? As far as the engine goes, I got the cooling system fully down. There's no leaks, everything's working, everything's bypassing through where it needs to. The only issue with me right now is this fan. For some reason, this fan doesn't kick on. I have a new one. I'm gonna replace it. I tested this one and it was arcing really bad, but I have a new one. I'm gonna replace it, and then fingers crossed, everything should be good and this car will be running A1. The interior is still the same. My seats are still the same. I want to redo the door cards because I don't think that that's gonna go very well with the theme of what I got going on in here, the cream. These are Type S centers. So I'm actually gonna take that off, remove it, and rewrap it. And then I'm probably gonna do a Tesla screen in there. So that's as far as that goes with the interior. Oh, and then the harness bar, and that'll probably be it. The rear seat's actually taken out. I'm probably gonna build a rear seat delete in there. All right, guys. Now, as I said, I did get a new fan for the for the TL. There it is, full assembly, full wiring, everything, motor, everything brand new. I did pick this one up from Rock Auto, so I will be changing that out today. And also, I still have to do my big brake upgrade. So that's the Porsche front calipers, and these are the Infinity rear calipers. I got full 14-inch rotors front to back, some spacers, and all the lines, everything I need to get this going. Hub set, trick rings, the adapter kit for the rear and the front, everything I need to get going. And those are the Brembos for Terry's TL right there, knuckles and everything. So we also have that. We both have to do our brake upgrades, and then once it's up and running, I gotta put these bad boys on the car because, as you can see, my car just has the pipe hanging. That's it. That's why it's so loud. I can't wait to hear it proper with these 4-inch tips. Now, in my opinion, what's the biggest update here that I want to give you guys? It's all about the Prelude, because the Prelude, Project Prelude, is actually finally started and in full swing. Now let me update you guys on that. Currently the battery's out of the car because it's in the TL. So right now in the engine bay we have brand new NGK wires along with spark plugs. Then it's got a brand new alternator. Right here there's a brand new starter. So those are all upgraded, brand new. Now I have taillight seals because my trunk is leaking water every time it rains. I also have a brand new shift boot because this shit is ugly. I ordered BB6 carpets, which I'll show you guys. These are for shows. The BB6 carpets are going to be for the track because this is going to be a track car. I am on the lookout for some Recaro SR5s. I don't know which color I want. I kind of want blue, but not really, because not the theme of the car. I don't want to do red, although it might look good against the red paint. We'll see. It's either between red or black. And then I did get a set of TL base wheels that need to be refinished so bad because I hate this black. So I'm going to strip them down, I'm going to resurface them, and then I'm going to paint them the hyper silver or gunmetal. Guys, let me know down in the comments which color you think will be better. And then it needs tires all the way around because these tires are absolute garbage. I'm gonna film the rest of this by hand because my gimbal is going real crazy right now. But anyways, these are the BB6 floor mats that I bought for the Prelude that I'm gonna be replacing the Legends one with. Also, I do need to find somebody to wire in this. This is an AP1 S2000 cluster. I believe it's AP1 if I'm not mistaken, but I do want to get the S2K cluster wired in. I don't trust myself trying to do that, so I gotta find somebody to do that for me. Now the last update I have on the inside of the car are these rotors. These are front and rear drilled rotors for the Prelude. Front and rear rotors and pads. Now, if you guys come with me, things are gonna get real spicy. Box number 1 and box number 2. You can kind of see box number 2 what it is peeking through, but we got PLM headers for the Prelude. Now these things are freaking dope. I cannot wait to install these and hear the change of the tone of the car. And then another reason why the tone of the car is going to change. Well, let me pull this down. I went ahead and picked this up, an NVIDIA Q300 catback for the Prelude. And this thing looks so much better than the bullshit Megan Racing that's on there right now. But let me show you. Alright guys, so this is the exhaust. I went with the resonator because in conjunction with the headers, this thing is going to be loud and I don't want it to be too ricey. So it's got a big resonated section, big old muffler, and the best part, yep, titanium burnt tip. That thing is gonna scream, look good. It's just gonna be overall way better for the Prelude, a way better tone and much nicer. Plus, I don't know how old that exhaust is that's on there. Time to change it out anyways. All right, guys, that's pretty much it with the updates and where we've been and what we've been up to. That covers both those cars. I wish I could show you Terry's car, but Terry's not here. And I don't think Terry's coming over today. He might, but that might be later on. So, yeah, I'm gonna get to work here, do a couple of small things on both cars. And then you guys should expect from here on out at least one video per week. It'll be updated on either Saturday late night or Sunday mornings, depending on how late we stay recording and what bits I get throughout the week. But for now on, you can expect once a week at least. I'm gonna make that a promise because I finally want Oblivion to get going. I want to get back to the content for you. We have more than enough content, and if all plays out well, by February, March, maybe April of next year, 2025, I should have a spicy new daily coming in. So look forward to that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for sticking with us. Sorry it's been so long. That's it with the update. And yeah, coming back, baby.